Hi everybody. I had a couple of students ask about how to do the homework. They weren't sure how to get started, so I just thought I'd make a quick video of myself doing at least a couple examples so you guys can see what you're supposed to do. Okay, so the first thing, this is just the very first problem in the homework. This is number 1. Okay, so it says use the given graph of f to find the number delta such that if x minus 1 is less than delta, then f of x minus 1 is less than 0.2. Okay? So what they're asking you, right, is for you to pick a delta, okay, so that the function they're giving you is closer to 1 than 0.2. Okay? So it's within, right, this is our epsilon. Okay? So we want an error between our function and our limit to be less than 0.2, okay? And we're supposed to say, okay, how close does x need to be to 1 for that to be the case, okay? So we're looking at our graph here, okay? So the blue one is our function, okay? And you can see that this is the 0.11, okay? So you want the y values of the function, right? And this is kind of what we were looking at in class, right, with the 2x example. You want the y values of the function to be between here and here, right? You want the y values of the function to be between 0.8 and 1.2, right? The error is 0.2, okay? So we're going to look at where that happens for us, okay? So you can see that that starts to be an okay thing right here, okay? So that's like the first time it's within that range, and then it drops down below the acceptable range here, okay? So you can see that the error over here in x is just 0.1, okay? While the error over here in x is between 1 and 0.7, right? That's 0.3, okay? Because you're only allowed to pick one delta, you want one that's going to work for both the right side and the left side, okay? So that means we're going to pick the smaller of these two, okay? So we're going to say that delta should be 0.1, okay? Because if x is within 0.1, that means we've not gone outside this line here, so we're talking about this side of the function, or we're here, so we're talking about this part of the function, okay? And the y values will be between 0.8 and 1.2, okay? I hope that helps you guys get started on these problems. Most of them are either with these diagrams or it asks you to look at your own graph. The ones that ask you to look at your own graph are mostly using a computerized graph. So you guys are welcome to use Desmos, the program that I used in class. You can use a graphing calculator or whatever you are used to. Let me know if you guys are still having trouble, and I'll see you in class.